Nature is an inexhaustible source for our health. Dr. Ernst Schneider introduces Healthy by Nature. 2 volumes with over 100 natural therapies and application techniques. By means of natural agents such as air, water, sun, earth, or climate, it is possible to reach an optimal health. Healthy by Nature includes exercises to prevent heart attacks, recipes for cellular regeneration, organic stimulation, slowing down aging, fighting allergies, natural remedies against any type of infections, hydrotherapy, air therapy, geotherapy, or physiotherapy, among others. Index of the diseases and remedies to easily find the topics that concern us. Healthy by Nature is a great contribution to physical, psychological, and spiritual healing of the human being. From a simple hiccup to a severe heart attack. From an unbearable toothache to a dangerous skin cancer. From an unpleasant cold to sexual impotence. Everything is comprised in these 2 essential volumes that will help us improve our life quality. The first volume of Healthy by Nature talks about the healing power of natural agents, and the second about natural remedies. 2 books, 1 target, our health. For more information, access www.safeliz.com.